So I just moved into my new apartment, and I'm really loving it here. Watch a lot of George Motz, and his Goober Burger looked really good to me.
Okay, all I'm gonna do to the patty here, it's just like average grocery store ground beef, so don't worry about that. I just hit it with a little bit of MSG pepper. Just a little bit of salt for good measure. Thought it would be kind of cool if I used the peanut oil to cook the burger.
Let's try a teaspoon. Just see how well that does. Maybe, yeah, teaspoon and a half. Okay, I got this bad boy at like a medium high, like at a 6. Come on. Nice. Okay, the burger scholar himself said they added just peanut butter right on top.
Okay, so it's a pretty simple burger. I toasted my own homemade buns. I could do another video if you guys want that, so comment if you want that. But it's just bun with a little bit of toast. I toasted the bun. I put pickles, crunchy peanut butter, and that's about it. So, oh no. Okay, keep it all together. So this is the Goober Burger, as the burger scholar himself put together. Let's see how it is. It is surprisingly good. Those peanut oils with the burger, the savoriness really goes well, and the pickles with a bit of tang actually make this like really yummy. I would eat this again. I'm gonna finish this. This is actually really good. Like, subscribe. I don't know, man. Give a comment. Tell me how much you hate me. This is really yummy.